In this video, we will show you how to fix a problem on Windows 11 cannot open w.sb files. Okay, w.sb file is Windows Sandbox files. And to enable the feature, we can go to Control Panel. After that, go to Programs and choose Programs and Features. In here, select Turn Windows Feature on or off, and you can find Windows Sandbox in there. And check this. After that, you can click OK. Then after you apply the change, you need to wait until the restart button is appear. Okay, just wait for this and then click restart now. After we restart our Windows 11, let's try again to open w.sb files. Okay, now w.sb files can open smoothly after we enable the Windows Sandbox features on Control Panel. Okay, that's all tutorial how to fix a problem in Windows 11 cannot open .wsb files. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.